We have here in the Tata Motors service center for my Tiago's 3-year or 75,000 kilometer yearly. So here the car is coming. You see the sports badge. Hi friends, I got my Tiago after service and I have done the foam wash interior cleaning. Okay, so the interiors are looking like new after a heavy use of 1 year. It's looking like new. It's shining a lot. Okay, you have to pay 800 something for this one at the Tata Motors service center. Okay, and we will check about the details of the rest of the charges soon. You see, the fabric has been cleaned spotless. Okay, now since I have not put any covers because this is more comfortable, the factory given upholstery is very comfortable. So guys, I am filling up the tire pressure. The front should be 33. Okay, front. Okay, and the rear is 30. So once you get the servicing done, make sure you have the correct tire pressure. Okay, here you see it was 32, now they are making 33. So friends, the total cost for the 3rd year service is 10,731 for Tata Tiago automatic. Okay, so I have done it from the Select Cars Kukatpalli. Now if you see what are the charges here, so you see the basic that is the engine oil change and seal washer, windshield fluid, balance weight, cotton car. So these are the changes. The main one is the engine oil that costs around I think 2,200, and the 1,500 is service kit for Nexon also. It's same, I think. Yeah, the rest are small charges, but here the labor charges, right, they are massive. So you see the consumables, you see the handling charges, seat protection cover. Okay, that is just 50 rupees. Handling charges for supplier, handling charges for 3M disinfectant AC, because I have asked them to change the AC filter, and the interior standard cleaning from 3M. Okay, which gives is almost like 1032, 944. So these handling charges, right, 2529. So these are everything included. So there are many things included in that. So I'm not they haven't given the details here, but yeah, it's the standard package, and the total roundup that comes around is 10,731, which is okay for a 1 year service. Okay, where you do everything right from the AC cleaning, the engine oil change, the brake oil change, and I have asked them to set the suspension. Okay, you can see my car has ridden almost 15,242 kilometers till date. Okay, and this service was supposed to be for 75,000 kilometers. So I have ridden only a fifth of what it should have run. Okay, so my running is very less. So that's the reason I think I did not get any big issues. Also, they have done the wheel alignment, and the wheel alignment report I'm going to show you if it helps. You see, that is the wheel alignment report. Okay, they have done for my car. Okay, thank you so much.